In this video, we share with you our list of the top 5 car alarm. Since different people have different needs, stay tuned till the end because you never know which of our choices could be the best for you. Avital 5305 Best Value. This is product number 5 on my list, which is my choice for the best value label. The Avital 5305 stands out as an affordable yet feature-rich car alarm system, offering a blend of security and convenience. Firstly, the Avital 5305 is priced around $100, making it significantly cheaper than its counterparts like the Viper 5706EV and Python 5706P, yet it doesn't compromise on essential features. It includes a dual-stage sensor and a 120 dB siren, similar to higher-end alarms. However, it lacks car tracking compatibility, which means you can't integrate it with a smartphone app for vehicle tracking. The 5305 features a two-way remote with an LCD display, providing immediate feedback on your car's status. This is particularly useful as it alerts you to various alarms such as impacts or door openings. The remote's range is about 1,500 feet, which, although shorter than some high-end models, is sufficient for most users. The system also includes a starter interrupt feature, adding an extra layer of security against hot wiring attempts. Additionally, the Avital 5305 doubles as a remote start system, a convenient feature for preheating or cooling your car. On the downside, some users have noted that the siren is not as loud as expected, and the two-way remote can be laggy, potentially delaying the alarm cancellation. Installation can be complex and is best done by a professional, which might add to the overall cost. For more information on this product or any of the following products in this video, please use the links in the description box down below. These links are updated daily for the best prices, deals, and product availability, so you're always getting the most current information at your convenience. Compustar CS7900-AS Best Bundle. This is product number 4 on my list, which is my choice for the best bundle label. The Compustar CS7900-AS is a comprehensive car alarm and remote start system, offering a blend of security and convenience for your vehicle. Firstly, the range is impressive. With a 3,000-foot max range, you can start or secure your car from a considerable distance, which is especially handy in large parking lots or during harsh weather conditions. The two-way interactive LCD remote is a standout feature, providing visual and auditory confirmation for every command. This means you'll always know if your car has successfully locked, unlocked, or started, adding peace of mind. The system's security capabilities are robust. It includes a dual-stage shock impact sensor that detects any intrusion attempts and a 105-bay alarm siren that's loud enough to deter potential thieves and alert you. Additionally, the LED indicator light serves as a visual deterrent. Installation, however, is a critical con. The system requires professional installation, and some vehicles may need extra parts sold separately. This could add to the overall cost and complexity of setup. Also, it's important to note that wiring diagrams and installation instructions are not included, emphasizing the need for professional assistance. MengshenAnti-Theft Alarm, most affordable. This is product number 3 on my list, which is my choice for the budget pick label. The MengshenAnti-Theft Alarm is an affordable and straightforward solution for those looking to enhance the security of their vehicles or other valuable items. The MengshenAnti-Theft Alarm is priced under $20, making it an extremely budget-friendly option. Despite its low price, it doesn't skimp on essential features. The alarm is battery-powered and easy to install, which means you can set it up quickly without needing professional help. It's versatile. 2, not only can it be used for cars, but also for motorcycles, bikes, or even doors and windows at home. One of the key features of this alarm is its adjustable sensitivity. This allows you to set the level of vibrations or impacts that will trigger the alarm, reducing the chances of false alarms. When triggered, the alarm emits a loud sound, which is effective in deterring potential thieves or alerting you to any unauthorized access. However, there are some limitations. The MengshenAnti-Theft Alarm lacks advanced features like remote control, keyless entry, or smartphone compatibility. This means you won't have the convenience of controlling or tracking your security system remotely. If you find this video helpful so far, Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more reviews like this. Viper 3105 best for essential security. This is product number 2 on my list, which is my choice for the most affordable label. The Viper 3105 EV stands out in the car alarm market as an option that doesn't skimp on essential features. The Viper 3105 EV is an enhanced one-way security system that wraps your vehicle in protection with sophisticated electronic technologies. It includes the Stinger Double Guard shock sensor and the Revenger 6-tone siren, both of which are designed to deter potential thieves effectively. The fail-safe starter kill is an added feature that prevents hot wiring, a common method used by car thieves. One of the most appreciated aspects of the Viper 3105 is its keyless entry system. This feature adds a layer of convenience, allowing you to lock and unlock your vehicle remotely. The system also includes 2 auxiliary outputs and a control center with an antenna valet switch and status LED combined in one unit. However, there are some limitations to consider. The system is a one-way security system, which means it does not provide feedback or alerts to your remote. Some users have noted that the shock sensor is not very sensitive, requiring a significant impact to trigger the alarm. Additionally, the installation process can be complex and might require professional assistance, which could add to the overall cost. DroneMobile X1 LTE. Best overall. This is product number 1 on my list, which is my choice for the best overall label. The DroneMobile X1 LTE is a state-of-the-art car security and tracking system that offers a range of features to enhance the safety and convenience of your vehicle. The DroneMobile X1 LTE stands out with its LTE connectivity, providing reliable coverage in the US, Canada, and Mexico. This means you can control and track your car from virtually anywhere. The system enables remote start, keyless entry, and more, all from your smartphone. The unlimited range over LTE with 3G fallback ensures you're always connected to your vehicle. One of the most notable features is the built-in backup battery. This battery triggers an alert if the main battery is cut off, adding an extra layer of security against theft or tampering. The XO and Max module also includes security sensors to detect intrusion, giving you peace of mind about your vehicle's safety. However, there are some considerations to keep in mind. The system requires a monthly subscription for full functionality, which might be a downside for some users. Additionally, while the system is praised for its ease of use and installation, it may require professional installation for optimal performance, which could add to the overall cost. So, which of these car alarms do you like the most? Share your thoughts with us in the comments below. Subscribe to receive our newest videos. Catch you on the next video.